these are my two pure silver teeth that are made from silver clay. It's pure fine 999. It's 39 silver. So out of 1,000 parts, 999 parts of silver. It's about as pure as you could ever get, really. And they're moulded to fit into the two gaps. So I lost 2 molars. And what's very special about each of these is actually a nano survival kit. Now you can get small survival kits, you can get micro, or you can get mini, and then micro survival kits. These are nano survival kits. So in here, I'd have to use a brick or a stone or something to smash it open. But in here I've got a micro, there's a micro compass, which you need a magnifying glass to see it, but there's a magnifying glass in there as well. There's a micro compass, and I've got a small needle and thread, which would only be good for stitching up very small wound, but they could also be used as a very small fishing kit as well. Just the starter fishing kit. You'd have to, you know, with forage and things from the forest, and just the needle could be made into a hook and a very small amount of thread. And I've also got a tiny bit of glue. It's a little small, it's flammable glue that will light easily, and but it could be used to glue in. Once you squeeze it out, you could use it for a wound or for gluing anything small, very small. If you want to glue something, it could be used for making a fishing kit. It also could be used as a firelighter, which I'll probably use it for. And I've got a very small flint striker and blade. It's a little it's a very small razor blade, which just between, if I smash this open, I could just, between my 2 fingernails, I could put it there, and I could use it for cutting, you know, removing splinter or something like that. So Josh, come in a sec. Josh, what other things should I put in my next 2 nano survival kits? Because these 2 are getting a bit old now. But they're pure silver, but your teeth are always moving, so I will in the future need to make a bit better ones. But silver is so good to have in your mouth. The other thing about silver...
Wait, are you filming the video?
Yes, I am. The other thing about silver is it's antibacterial, antimicrobial. Do you remember emperors in ancient China and in the East? They never used to get the plague or other diseases so much because they had silver chopsticks, and that upper class always used silver spoons and silver knives and silver cutlery. It protected them. So you want to use as much silver as possible. But I think just have silver in your mouth and have 2 nano survival kits. Pure silver teeth.